what's up? It's me, Kitty, and this morning I went to go and get my new handlebars for this scooter because, yeah, I need bigger bars and those ones aren't the best. But anyway, they came today. Well, they actually came on Wednesday, but the post place was not open. It was only open in the school times when you're at school. So my mum just went and got these a couple of hours ago. It's currently 11. She got these at like 9 or 10. So I'm going to be unboxing them. I already undone them, the box and the wrapping thingy, just to save time. But I haven't seen them yet, I swear. So first, because my back wheel dehubbed, yeah, it's pretty bad. I'm going to be putting these wheels on for now. These are my old wheels, they don't really match. They're not that nice. But yeah, I'll be putting these wheels on. Putting this grip tape on, just plain black grip. It's actually really gripping. And if you want to see my wheel, here it is. Yeah. Dehubbed there. And it dehubbed here. It's dehubbed in 2 places. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Ow, it's nipped me. It's dehubbed in 2 places. I'm not gonna ride it. But yeah, so I'm not going to be telling you what the bars are until you see the packet, the box, because yeah, I got them in black, and these have actually been my favourite bars for 1.5 years. So I think I just showed you that. I really wanted to get a pair, so I finally got some, and I'm so happy. So they are black Envy Reaper bars, Blunt Reaper bars, whatever. So yeah, this is the box. It's very nice indeed. And as you can see, that's upside down. I've got them, and there's the Envy logo. I really like the graphic on the box. So now I'm going to take the first look at them. You ready? Oh my gosh. They are so nice. Oh my gosh. These are actually so amazing. Oh my gosh. They are aluminium, and they're actually lighter than I thought they were going to be. I've ridden a pair of these before, like not on my scooter, but on someone else's scooter, and oh my gosh, these are so nice. I'm going to put these on today or tomorrow. But you've got the Reaper sticker. Look at the cutouts. Oh my gosh. They are 22 tall, 21 wide, I think. Pretty sure. Oh my gosh. Actually beautiful. That was my dog barking. She's a loud person. So nice. Look at these. Compared to my old bars, well, my now old bars. They're going to go on this one. And yeah, I'm so excited to ride these. Oh my gosh. Just take a look at these. Just decency. so sorry. This is so nice. Just look at all of that. They're actually actually lighter than I thought they were going to be. I can't wait to ride these. And then whack myself in the head then. That's so nice. Right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This unboxing sort of thing. These are the nicest bars ever. Oh my gosh. So good. Right, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Yeah. So hopefully this all goes really nicely and it will look really nice after. I'll be sure to get some clips for my Instagram and everything. My Instagram is at kitty.kimber__. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll put my Instagram in the bio. Well, not the bio. The link. No, the description thingy. Yeah, down there. So yeah. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.